Monroe County Health Commissioner Dr. Michael Mendoza today calling restaurants and bars riskier than places like gyms, hair salons, and barbershops, appearing to come close to questioning whether some businesses now closed in the orange zone should be allowed to open. Tia Collins talked with a couple town supervisors to get their take tonight.
The microcluster zone restrictions were put in place to identify clusters of COVID-19 and hopefully reduce transmission. But some town leaders are questioning why businesses that aren't directly contributing to the spread are included on the list. Only parts of Gates are in the orange zone, meaning businesses across the street can be subject to different restrictions, a necessary evil to beat the virus, according to the Gates town supervisor.
To be honest with you, it's kind of unfair a little bit because we have one business who is in the yellow zone, and then 20 feet away there's another business that's in the orange zone. So I feel bad for these businesses, but I mean, we have to do what we have to do in order to bring us back down to yellow.
Arundequoit Town Supervisor Dave Seeley sees this as the consequences of zone strategy rather than shutting the entire state down. Seeley believes transmission hotspots point more towards indoor dining, and he hopes the governor considers relaxing restrictions on salons, gyms, and other personal care services.
Since we've gone into orange, our cases have doubled, and we've gone into really uncharted waters. I think there's a compelling case to be made that gyms and salons aren't the cause to this. I hope the state is taking a good look at that.
Governor Cuomo called indoor dining dangerous and said he has seen data on COVID-19 spread happening in restaurants. The zones do have the benefit of allowing some businesses to continue, a positive for areas with low cases of COVID-19.
There's going to be some, for lack of better words, winners and losers in all this, and people that are in a close proximity, which are going to operate under different guidelines. And I've said that's the consequence of trying to be a little bit more tactical with this versus just shutting the entire state down.
Leaders say 70% of COVID-19 transmission is happening indoors from small gatherings, and these restrictions are put in place to control what they can because they can't always tell people what to do in their personal life. Reporting in Rochester, Tia Collins, News 8.